In today's video, we're exploring the top 5 coffee grinders that will take your coffee game to the next level. Whether you're a home barista or someone who enjoys a fresh morning brew, having the right grinder can make a huge difference in taste, aroma, and consistency. A high-quality grinder helps you achieve the perfect grind size, unlocking the full potential of your coffee beans for everything from espresso to French press, pour over, or cold brew. These top grinders come with features like precise grind adjustments, quiet motors, and user-friendly designs that make grinding easy and enjoyable. Whether you prefer manual control or an electric grinder for speed and convenience, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we dive into their key features, pros and cons, and what makes each one stand out. Number 1. Aromaster. Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. Precision. Grinding for home brewing. If you want cafe-quality coffee at home, the Aromaster Conical Burr Coffee Grinder is the perfect choice. With 48 grind settings, it lets you customize your grind size from fine espresso to coarse French press. The 40-second adjustable timer gives you full control over grinding time, while the stainless steel conical burr system ensures uniform grounds for optimal flavor extraction. The anti-static design reduces mess, and the sleek silver finish makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen. This grinder is a must-have for coffee lovers who want precision and consistency. Number 2. KRUPS Silent Vortex Electric Coffee Grinder. Quiet and efficient grinding. The KRUPS Silent Vortex Electric Coffee Grinder is designed for those who value a quiet, efficient grinding experience. It's 5 times quieter than traditional grinders, providing a peaceful coffee prep session without sacrificing performance. The 175-watt motor ensures powerful grinding, and the 3-ounce capacity can yield up to 12 cups of coffee, making it perfect for both small and large batches. It's also versatile enough to grind spices and herbs, not just coffee beans. The removable dishwasher-safe bowl makes cleanup easy, and its sleek black design adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Number 3. Burr Coffee Grinder. Precision. Grinding for the perfect brew. The Burr Coffee Grinder delivers a precise and customizable grinding experience with 30 adjustable settings, perfect for any brewing method. Whether you prefer espresso, French press, or drip coffee, this electric conical grinder lets you choose the ideal grind size. It can handle between 2 to 12 cups of coffee, making it great for both single servings and larger batches. The sleek silver and black design is modern and durable, ensuring that this grinder will provide a consistent, fresh grind every time, enhancing the flavor of your coffee. Number 4. OXO Brew. Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. Precision and consistency in every grind. The OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee Grinder is a fantastic option for coffee enthusiasts who value precision and consistency. The durable conical burr design ensures even grinding, preserving the flavor and aroma of your coffee beans by minimizing heat buildup. With 15 grind settings, you can easily adjust the coarseness for various brewing methods, from espresso to French press. The sleek silver finish adds sophistication to your kitchen, while the one-touch start and easy-to-use controls make it a seamless addition to your morning routine. Number 5. Mahlkönig X54. All-round electric coffee grinder. Precision and versatility for the perfect brew. The Mahlkönig X54 all-round electric coffee grinder is perfect for home enthusiasts who demand versatility and precision. With a 250-gram capacity, it can handle larger batches of coffee without compromising on consistency. The Stepless adjustment feature allows you to fine-tune the grind size for any brewing method, from espresso to French press, ensuring you always get the perfect grind. Its burr grinder design reduces heat generation, preserving the delicate flavors of your coffee beans. This high-quality grinder is built for those who want the best of both worlds, precision and versatility.